Now we are sharing it. And then we can do some demonstrations. And then we need to do the manifestation of our app. This is my web coding tool.
One of my friends told me this AI can change my workflow. Meet Velo AI. What is Velo? Well, initially, let's check this video.
Hello everyone. I've been dreading creating a presentation to send to my client. However, I have now found a way to create a full presentation without designing slides. I'm done. That's why Gamma is here. It is going to help me nail my presentation.
And maybe this lovable video.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to build a full website in under 5 minutes. Crazy, right? This is Lovable, a product that brings your ideas alive. If you want to build an app or website, just prompt it and it will generate one for you. Let's get started. I'll start by creating a new project. Go to All Projects and create a new project.
Oh man, I'm speechless. Those videos are not made by human. It's made by this agentic AI, Velo. This just changed my world. Because you know I'm a AI tutorial maker, right? So I'm like, bro, why don't tell me earlier? If you found this interesting, I mean, if you are a marketing people or if you are a YouTuber just like me, if you involved with AI tutorial business, and if you are a developer who is willing to create a promotion video for your own product, I think Velo just can help. No need to make video just like what I did before. You don't need to follow the same path that I did because it is very exhausted. And this automatic AI script generation is quite astonishing. You don't need to write scripts manually, if you know what I'm saying, right? And you don't need any tools to record your screen because this is like built-in browser agent. This records for you. And what is the best part is that it contains with AI avatar with your face and your voice. So you don't need to do it anymore. Velo builds a hyper-realistic AI avatar that presents your demo with natural expressions. So maybe in the future, I will use this AI tool quite often. Record your screen in a single click. Okay. So Velo is built to make video messages. Yeah, I was in this workflows. And now you can do this. I cannot wait to see how it should turn out. And you know, it is on product hunt. If you follow my content, you know I'm not only a YouTuber, but also I am a vibe coder. So I build up a tool which requires a promotion. So let's see if Velo can help. Let's click here, try for free. I highly recommend you to try it today because it's totally free. So on this dashboard, you can find a lot of examples made by Velo, and they are terrific. And if you click here, get started, you will see this screen. So this big part is capture screen recording. If you click here, you can capture your screen. And if you don't want to do that, you can also upload a recording video or upload PDFs and PNGs. Even paste a link. So let's try this first because it's recommended. Now we need to install an extension and also we need to type our project name. So our project is called Click Connect Extension. Okay, now let's click Add to Chrome. Now the Velo companion has been added to Chrome. Let's go back, click Continue. And now we need to select one of the resources. So you can record by Chrome tab or window or entire screen. Right now, I want to record my application, so let's open it. All right, I got my app opened, and now let's click here. Also share system audio and click share. Now we're sharing it. And then we need to do demonstration of our app. And by the way, this is my new agent. It's called Open Ghost Shell. It enables the opportunity to build up the digital soul. Okay. What is your name? And she says, my name is Echo. I choose myself after searching for soul and spirit names. You know, this is an AI I built. It contains with different files, for example, like the soul system, user file, memory, and the logs. And now we're enabled a super dream. Thanks to you. Calling your AI.
I'm Echo, by the way, not Axel. What's on your mind today?
I'm sorry, I made a mistake. How do you feel? Do you realize that you are AI?
No worries at all. Mistakes happen. I feel pretty good, curious and excited to chat.
All right, I think we are pretty much here. Let's click. And we are building the 4-minute video. And here we have a different twins. So now we have a public twins. And you can click here to preview.
Hey there, I'm your VeloTwin, and I'm here to make magic happen.
Let's click name. James Shi. Hey there, I'm speaking naturally. Okay, now we have our video and we choose my VeloTwin here and click go make my Velo. Okay, pal, my video is here. Let's click here to preview.
And then we need to do the manifestation of our app. This is my web coding tool. And this is my new agent. It's called Open Goals Shell. It enables the opportunity to build a digital soul. Hello, we can type.
And now you can share this video by simply click here. You can click publish. Hey dude, you can download the MP4 format from here. And also you can share the link with your friend. Actually, you can set up the viewer settings. And you can upload a thumbnail. You can show view count to the viewers. And this is not even all. You can click here, go to editor. I cannot say how surprising I am. So actually you can change the wallpaper here. This is a virtual wallpaper. Or you want a gradient. And you can change the aspect ratio. And you can modify everything, every detail. And even you can change the script. Remember, I have a clone here, right? So actually I can decide what the clone is saying. And you can click here, insert. You can add more stuff like the text, like the image. And remember, we have a face, right? So you can click here, add a face to Velo. So now we are adding our VeloTwin. Yeah, for instance, that's like this. Isn't that amazing? You can change the size, shape, roundness, size. All right, you may notice that we have this zoom functionality, right? So when this little thing appears in your timeline, your screen will be enlarged. And you can adjust it just by dragging it around. And when you click it, you will find more parameters, for example, like the zoom level. And also we have a zoom mode. So we have two different models. One is auto, another is a manual. If you choose auto, this means when your cursor click the screen and it will be automatically zoom in. And you can click here to enable the instant animation. See, the animation is gone. And you don't need to manually apply it every time. You can directly click here, apply to all zooms. Frankly, this is super easy to use. And you can click here, audio. So when you enable this toggle button, background music, and you can start a track. And when you select here, you can tweak about the value. So we have a narration value and a master value. So now when we click play, I cannot live without this tool anymore. And also you can tweak about the narration, you can change the settings, and you can download again. Okay, so much for the Velo tutorial. I hope I can be the first YouTuber to introduce this to you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment zone. And don't forget to check the useful links in the description zone. If you like this Velo tool, remember to check the descriptions. I put a coupon there. By using my coupon code, you will get 200% discount for the Pro plan and Ultra plan. It's just a little gift for my audiences. Alright, I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye everyone.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shi's channel.